Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M54, and today I'll show you how you can go through the setup process of your phone. So when you boot it up for the first time, you'll be presented with this kind of screen right over here. And before I go any further, I do want to point out that the process actually might vary just a little bit between what you might be experiencing and what I'll be experiencing. And the reason for that is a brand new device straight out of the box will force you to sign into Wi-Fi network or connect to mobile network through SIM card. And for me, because this device already has gone through the first setup, I don't need to do that. So anyway, I'm gonna just select start and then find our desired language from the list. So here's the mobile network. You can just pop out the tray right here at the top and pop in your SIM card and then go to the next page, or you can connect to Wi-Fi on the next page. Now here we have the user license agreement. You can tap on the details to read exactly what you're agreeing to, but at the end of the day, no matter if you like it or not, if you want to use this device, you do need to agree to it. Otherwise, you can't finish up the setup and actually use what you paid for. Next, we have easy setup with another device. So this would allow you to basically set up your device quickly using an old phone. This would require you to download the Samsung Smart Switch application. It would connect these two devices and then allow you to select what kind of data you want to move over from that phone to this one. I do also want to add, you probably want to use cable. Anyway, I'm going to set it up manually, which means I'm not going to be copying anything. And next we have the Wi-Fi page. Again, like I said, you will need to connect to one of the networks if the device is brand new for you, but I can just simply skip it and I don't need to worry about it. Additionally, because I'm skipping it, date and time will not be set automatically by the internet, so it's popping me up with this page right here, which normally you would not see if you did either SIM card or Wi-Fi connection. So I'm just gonna ignore this. And then we have Google services. We have things like location scanning and sending user and diagnostic data. I can turn all of those off, but let's be honest, it's Google, so it's not like they're the most trustworthy company, and there's a reason why all the corpos are getting class action lawsuits left and right recently. And it's not because they're trustworthy. Next, we have Protect Your Phone. This page allows you to select some kind of screen lock and biometrics. Now, the first two options are the biometrics, face recognition, and fingerprint, and then the three latter ones are a physical way of unlocking the device, that'd be through PIN, pattern, or password. Now, if you're planning to use things like face recognition or fingerprint, or both of those, you will always be required to select one of these three options as well to unlock your device. You cannot have just a fingerprint or fingerprint and face recognition, as biometrics aren't 100% reliable. So in the times where they fail you and you can't unlock your device, that leaves you with one of these three options, which obviously aren't prone to failure based on just misreading your fingerprint or your face. And additionally, you can also skip this if you don't want to select anything, though I would not recommend doing so. Next, we have the Samsung account. If you're planning to use things like Galaxy Store or some other things from Samsung, you might want to sign into it. If you don't want to sign in, which is completely fine, you can use this phone fully with all the applications and all that stuff without a Samsung account. You can click right here, forget password or don't have an account, and that's where they hide the option to set up later in settings, so you can just skip this. And they give you, why do you need a Samsung account? It's a bullshit. You don't actually need a Samsung account. The accurate way to give you this sentence would be, why do you want a Samsung account? Not need. So get your shit correct, Samsung. This is just a misleading lie right here. And they give you a couple of the things that they provide with their Samsung account. So we have things like find your lost phone, even though Google basically allows to do that already. Sign in to apps and website with your biometrics. Again, good applications will allow you to do that no matter if Samsung supports it or not. So as an example, bank applications have the option to use biometrics as a way to unlock it instead of just signing into it. You don't need Samsung gimmicks to use this. Next, we have sync apps and settings across all your devices. That is a more unique option for Samsung, though I don't know if the new the new Android isn't allowing you to do that. I've never tried it, to be completely fair, but it could not be as unique. Next we have copy and paste between your phone, tablet and computer. Again, that's basically going back to the prior option. And answer calls and text on your tablet or computer. Again, that goes back to the 2 prior options. So I'm just gonna skip it. You're not selling that too well, Samsung. Anyway, here we have some Samsung services, customization services. So give your customization stickers. You know, you can just go over this, read what this is, and either turn it on or off. If it's Samsung, I'm just gonna kind of go like this and ignore whatever they want. And then we have the option to choose our display mode, or basically theme. And we have light and dark mode right here. So choose whichever one you want. Select next and finish, and this will then take you to the home screen. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.